On Chromebook, Google Chrome browser is the default browser. However, if you are looking for another browser, then you can install Opera browser. Here is a quick video on how you can download and install Opera browser on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To download Opera browser, simply open Google Chrome browser and visit opera.com/download. Here you can see Opera browser is available for Chromebook. Now to download it, click on Get It on Google Play. And here simply select Google Play Store and click on Open. Now here you will get installation option. Simply click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation has been completed, you can simply click on Open button, or else you can also open Opera browser from the app launcher. Click on app launcher icon and here you will find Opera. Simply click on it to open the browser. And here you will get a welcome window. Here click on Continue. Allow required permissions. And you are ready to use Opera browser on your Chromebook. Now if you want to set Opera browser as the default browser, then simply click on this user icon, then click on settings. Here scroll down, here you will get browser options, simply click on it and click on default browser. Now to set Opera as your default browser, simply click on next and it will open default apps window. Simply click on browser apps and select Opera browser. This will make Opera browser the default browser on your Chromebook. Now for quick access, you can also pin Opera browser to the Chromebook self. For that, right click on Opera icon and here you will find pin option. Simply click on pin. Now you can simply use this shortcut icon to quickly launch Opera browser. So that's it. This is how you can download and install Opera browser on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.